regular maintenance. And when I say maintenance, not just on engine hours, but on annual, every year. When you do your out of waters, when you come out, you do your anti-fouling, and yes, it's every year. It's, you know, the anodes have to be replaced fairly regularly. Now you've got anodes on the outside of the boat, as we know. They've got trim tab anodes, and you get your hull anodes and prop anodes and shaft anodes and all sorts of different anodes underneath. But that's not where it ends. A lot of diesel engines like this one will have anodes within their heat exchangers. This plug here, just down here on my right, that will have, on the back of it, will have a pencil anode, we call a pencil anode. Now it's a long thin zinc alloy which is designed to corrode faster than any of this. It protects the inner core of this. Now what's in the inner core of a heat exchanger? More so that one, this is obviously the intercooler. This one's the coolant heat exchanger over here. What's inside a heat exchanger is a nest of tubes that run through. Seawater runs through those tubes. Around those tubes in this heat exchanger, around those tubes is the coolant, and that is what is used to take the heat out of the coolant. The water going through will take the heat out of the coolant, and then it's mixed through this mixing elbow here out through the exhaust. This is also a high area of corrosion potential with hot gases, exhaust, and salt water being mixed together.